Master Balisong here for my first, not technically my first, but my first instructional video, and I'm going to teach you how to do the basic opening. This is going to be the first trick you should learn. It's the trick everyone who says they know how to flip a butterfly knows what to do. It's the trick that a lot of people, if they see your butterfly knife, they'll be like, I know how to play with butterfly knives, and they'll just do this over and over again, and they won't do anything else, which is fine, but you shouldn't act like you're really good if you only know how to do this trick. You should learn more, but this is the first stepping stone to getting into butterfly knife flipping. My plan is to show you two different angles of this trick. That's what I plan on doing with all my instructional videos. I'm going to show you this angle, flip it so it's mirrored, and you can copy my actions from this angle, and then I will also show you a first person angle so that you can see it from your perspective. It just might help you to see two different angles of the trick. So to begin, we're going to teach you some very simple basics that you should know. I'll probably teach these for most simple Balisong tricks, but not for intermediates. This is the safe handle. The safe handle never has a latch on it. The handle without the latch, and the handle that if you were to hold it, the dull side of the blade is going to hit your hands. This is extremely important to know. You must know this. This is the bite handle. This is the one where you take gouges out of your fingers, because if you're holding it and the blade comes down, it's slicing into you. That has happened a lot of times. Often the bite handle will have a latch. I don't like latches, so I take all my latches off. So to do the basic opening, you're going to take your hand, hold the safe handle, the handle that won't hurt you if you're holding it. And what you're going to do, just hold the safe handle, throw the rest of the knife upward by letting your fingers open and letting the blade and handle drop while you push it up in a motion like that. So you're just going to let go, push it up. Let go and push it up. Let go, push it up, right? Just like this, and then you can grab the handle again. So step one, let go, push up. Step two, we are just going to be flipping this knife 180 degrees like this, but you can put some motion into it. So step two of doing this, you're going to take your fingers, spin the whole blade, the whole knife 180 degrees in your hand like this, and then have the safe side of the blade bounce on your fingers. So again, end of the first step. Now we're just going to spin the blade 180 degrees and have this dull side of the blade bounce onto your knuckles. Just like that. And then now there's one more step to this trick. You will just pop this handle back up, move your fingers out of the way, and then catch it, just like this. Like this. Yeah. So the first step, open your fingers, bounce it onto the back of your knuckles. Second step, 180 degree spin, bounce onto your knuckles. Third step, pop it open and grab it. You can do the same exact motion to shut the knife too. Pop it on your knuckles. 180 degree spin, close. Pop onto your knuckles, 180 degree spin, open, pop down, 180 degree spin, close. Now I will show you first person. Maybe that will visually help some people. Maybe getting the whole picture will help you. Now, like I was saying, safe handle. You want your hand on the safe handle. That's the handle where the blade, if it hits you, will not cut you. So if you remember, so what we're doing is letting go of the knife, popping it up onto our knuckles, spinning it 180 degrees, and then closing it. Same thing to close it, remember? Pop onto your knuckles, 180 degree spin, close. Pop onto your knuckles, open, 180 degree spin. Now the blade's open. Pop onto your knuckles, 180 degree spin, close. And then now you can speed this up. Do a little bit faster, do it a bit faster. You can can eventually make it one fluid motion. You don't even have to bounce it off your knuckles. You can just make it a constantly spinning motion like this. Just keep making it do 180 degrees. And then close. So you will know that the knife will be open if the blade has bounced off of your knuckles. Now when you pop it open, it'll be open. Now you know the knife will be closed if popping off of your knuckles is just a handle and no blade, then it's going to be shut. That's useful to know if you're doing combos, but this is just the basic opening. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I hope you watch some more of my instructional vids. But make sure that you understand how to do this trick before you get to more complex tricks, because you do not want to cut yourself. Even though that's part of learning, you don't want to cut yourself too bad. So until next time, keep practicing.